This is the knee strap Patella tendon support 2-pack. This was sent to me to test out, but all opinions are my own, and this is how it arrives right here in this box. Ready to use right out of the package, no assembly required. These are some of those straps that are designed to support your knee, your bone, and your joints, and hopefully, help you reduce knee pain. I've seen a few different styles of these around, and like anything else, I'm sure results are going to vary from person to person. I'm actually liking these ones. I wore them golfing this week. It has kind of a one-size-fits-all design, and it fits me perfectly snug on the last setting, and I'm a pretty big guy. But you're going to want to check out the size chart just to make sure, they fit you. You can see right here, they're about 15 inches long, set alone, and I'm able to stretch these things out to about 23 inches right here, so they're pretty stretchy. They're made of a silicone, and they have a couple of Patella gel pads on the inside of them right here. I find them to be very comfortable, and I've even forgot that I was wearing them a few times until I sit down and scrunch up my knees and realize that they're still on. I like this silicone because it's really soft and it's stretchy, and it's easy to clean too. These would obviously be great for all kinds of sports, working out, climbing, dancing maybe, or just walking around during your daily activities. They're nice little straps. They're lightweight. They're easy to put on. They're comfortable to wear over a long period of time, for me at least, and totally easy to store in your pocket. I put them in my golf bag, your gym bag, wherever. I love them.